What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update. December 12th, beginning of the arguably the most crazy week of the year. A lot of stuff packed in here. So I think we have a dole day today, and then Tuesday is CPI, Wednesday is Fed, Thursday's European Central Bank, Friday's OPEC. So crazy. We also rolled. So this is my least favorite time to chart because everything's screwed up and all the numbers I had in my head are no longer gone or no longer there. So we're looking today. SPX and ES are about 34 different right now. We'll see on the open. It might be a little less than that and come down. So right now your SPX over under is 31, 39, 31. Close at 34. This is 65 is my over under ES. As you can see, we're up a little bit. 82 is our high, 56 is our low. Support, we're looking at 44, 39, and 30, 39, 35 area. 39 is the 100 day. Up here you got your 40 at or 200 day at 40, 40. So then you have the 12, 14, all this stuff down here. So I expect this to be defended that 39.10, 39.14 area. I have no idea what today is. We have a double directional change. So we'll see if, we were down yesterday. So either we have a higher day today or we have a directional where it's hardcore. I think we prop up higher and test the 24 area. Or at least, so you got the 96, 97 area, and then you have that 06, 05 area, and then you've got the 40, 40. And then we have a trend line that kind of comes down here. We'll look at the daily. So this is all still intact. So we can basically jump around here until we break either up or down. I'm getting mixed sentiment everywhere. I have no idea. I'm not going to tell you that, hey, this is going to go up or, hey, this is going to go down. I don't know. I think we're just going to whiplash. I lost that trend line. I can draw it again. This is the weekly. So your 200 on the weekly down here is 36.49. That's something I'm keeping an eye on for an extreme downside. I don't see that happening. Pivots 82.05. I like that. 40.47, 40.70. 40.70 is a number that's been around forever as a level. 41, 18, and 38.77. All these are really great pivots. And then Joey's got the equivalents in the SPX that I would take a look at. So I don't know what to expect today. Extreme level, I'd be looking at the 40-40 level. So that would be the 40.05 SPX. So we're going to kind of just, minus 34 from all of these numbers, and you're going to get the SPX equivalent. That 20 area, 2024 area on SPX is fairly important, so I would be watching that one. I did draw the trend line on this daily chart just to kind of give me an idea. I added the 200 day on this chart as well. This is just visual aid for you guys because the roll, it makes me angry. I just don't like rolling. So 3037 is your 200 day on the SPX daily. So that's your top side number. You also have a 4071 to 4052. We have a cash gap up here, and that coincides with that trend line. And then even this one. So up to 4110, excuse me. So these are kind of targets I would be watching. If we were to spike, we wouldn't get there today. 100 higher here is your 200 day. But over the next few days, these would be some targets, even that 4119, 4120. If they cleared these two and then come back down. So let's say Tuesday we have something, a lower CPI, and then Wednesday they come back and they're like, JK, LOL, we're not going to pivot, and we come back down. We still have this doozy, 38.58, 38.48. So that's a 90-point cash gap. sitting there. That's the 50-day on the green, 38.40. So lots to be had. We're diddling in the middle. We're pretty much on support, and again, that 39.60 level, which is pretty close to your SPX. When ES went off, it was a couple different, so maybe a 62 or something like that. Anyway, so that level is going to be important on SPX. But I'd watch that 19, that 24.19 area. That's kind of this area of fall down. Euro still holding the 106 up again today, couple 300 ticks. So I'm still watching that. They have a meeting on Thursday, so that's going to be interesting. But this is kind of come full circle. Now, if this breaks it, then I could see a 107, 108. And I don't know. I'm still very bearish. I'm surprised it's still a currency, but at the same point, it doesn't matter what my views are. This is where it's trading right now, so we will see. Any Fed pivot, or not pivot, hike, and this is dead. Any pivot, and this thing screams. So that's pretty much where we're at. Anyway, so again, today, be careful. All week, be careful. And I'll be in the room most of the day, and we'll just kind of hang out and see if there's an opportunity to take a trade.